Hey party planners, welcome back to our channel. Is your little one a huge fan of Mickey Mouse? Well, today's video is going to be magical because we're talking all about Mickey Mouse birthday decoration ideas. From balloons to backdrops, DIYs to themes, we've got it all covered. If you're planning a Mickey-themed celebration, stay tuned for tons of inspiration. We'll walk through fun questions and give you creative answers along the way. And don't forget, we're all about easy, budget-friendly, and joyful vibes here. Let's dive into the world of Mickey Mouse magic. What's the best color scheme for a Mickey Mouse party? Red, yellow, black, and white are the classic Mickey colors. You can add polka dots and stripes for that vintage cartoon feel. Use red table covers, black plates, and yellow cups. Incorporate Mickey's ears in banners and signs. Accent with gold stars or confetti for some sparkle. Keep it bright, fun, and instantly recognizable. This sets the tone for all your other decorations. How do I create a Mickey Mouse photo booth? Use a red curtain backdrop with Mickey ears cutouts. Add props like gloves, bow ties, and speech bubbles. Place a large cardboard Mickey frame guests can pose in. Include a floor mat with "Oh Toodles" or hot dog text. Make booth kid height for easier access. Use balloons around the edges to give it a pop. It's a hit for both kids and photo-loving parents. Don't forget to comment below your favorite photo booth idea so far. What kind of balloons should I use? Go for large Mickey-shaped foil balloons. Mix them with solid red, yellow, and black latex balloons. Use helium for floating centerpieces or arches. Create balloon columns with Mickey heads on top. You can also hang mini balloons like garlands. Add a number balloon for the birthday age. They instantly transform your space into party mode. Any DIY decoration ideas? Absolutely. Cut Mickey ears out of black cardstock. Glue them to cups, treat bags, or party hats. Make a Mickey silhouette banner with twine and paper. Decorate cupcakes with paper ear toppers. Use toilet paper rolls painted red for mini centerpieces. Wrap utensils in napkins and add Mickey stickers. DIY adds charm and saves money too. Got DIY spirit? Share your favorite project idea in the comments. What should I use for table decor? Use Mickey-themed tablecloths or solid color ones. Add themed plates, cups, and napkins. Sprinkle confetti or use small Mickey figurines. Create themed centerpieces with plush toys for blocks. Use themed name cards or placemats for guests. Include a treat box at each seat for excitement. Your table can be a centerpiece of the whole party. How do I decorate the cake table? Place the cake in the center on a red cake stand. Add a Mickey or number topper for the wow effect. Surround it with cupcakes, candies, or themed cookies. Use a mini garland hanging from the front of the table. Place a themed backdrop behind the cake area. Use Mickey plushies or blocks for height and flair. Keep it the most picture-perfect spot of the party. Save this idea in your mind, because that cake table is going to shine. What about wall decorations? Try a big Mickey wall sticker or paper backdrop. Use a banner that says, "Happy Birthday," name, add hanging swirl decorations or star cutouts, stick Mickey glove prints walking across the wall, create a paper rosette collage with character faces, hang paper lanterns in theme colors from the ceiling. Walls can be your biggest blank canvas to play with. Can I make Mickey centerpieces myself? Yes, and it's super easy. Use foam balls for Mickey's head. Paint them black and stick them on a dowel or straw. Insert the stick into a decorated bucket or vase. Add shredded paper, glitter, or ribbon to fill space. Use themed paper cutouts on sticks as extras. Wrap the container in red paper and stick on yellow buttons. Voila! Instant Mickey centerpiece magic. Don't forget to subscribe if you're into DIY magic like this. How do I welcome guests in Mickey style? Set up a Mickey-themed welcome sign at the entrance. Add a balloon arch to frame the door. Play the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse theme song. Hand out Mickey ears or stickers to guests as they arrive. Place paw prints leading up to the front door. Use chalk to draw Mickey icons on the sidewalk. Make the first step into the party full of charm. What are some cool backdrop ideas? Use red curtains with big Mickey ears cutouts. Add gold stars or letter balloons spelling the name. Use cardboard cutouts of Mickey and friends. Hang a black, white, and red balloon garland across. Layer fabric or streamers for extra texture. Add a big number of the birthday age in the center. Perfect for cake photos and video moments. Loving the backdrop vision? Like this video and keep watching. Any tips for outdoor Mickey parties? Use lawn signs with Mickey characters. Set up a tent or canopy with themed colors. Hang Mickey flags from string across the yard. Use picnic tables with themed cloths and centerpieces. Have a bubble machine or foam machine for fun. Provide shaded seating for guests. And always secure balloons. Wind is tricky. What are some Mickey party favors to give? Mini coloring books with Mickey designs, stickers, small toys, or candy in Mickey treat bags, DIY keychains made of beads or foam, cupcakes to go in themed boxes, mini puzzles or masks of Mickey characters, party horns or mini bubbles with character labels. Always label them with a cute, "Thanks for coming." Party favor fans, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next ideas drop. How can I include Mickey in the party games? Create a Mickey treasure hunt using Mickey face clues. Play Pin the Ears on Mickey as a fun twist. Have a Mickey dance contest to the Clubhouse music. Set up a ring toss with Mickey-themed cones or bottles. Organize a coloring station with Mickey pages and crayons. Use hot dog instead of hot potato for laughs. Games with Mickey themes keep kids engaged and smiling. How do I make a Mickey-themed welcome board? Start with a sturdy foam board or chalkboard. Paint it in red, black, or yellow for bold contrast. Add big Mickey ears at the top using cardstock. Write a fun message like "Welcome to Name's Clubhouse." Decorate with polka dots, stars, and Mickey glove cutouts. Place it at the entrance with balloons or lights for impact. It's the perfect way to greet guests and set the party mood. Did this idea make you smile? Give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. Throwing a Mickey Mouse birthday party doesn't have to be stressful. With the right ideas, a little creativity, and your personal touch, you can create a celebration that your child will never forget. From decorations to games, every detail adds to the magic. Remember, it's all about joy, color, and happy memories. You don't need fancy stores or big budgets to make it awesome. Just imagination, love, and maybe a little help from Mickey himself. Now you're ready to plan like a pro and party like it's Clubhouse time. If this video sparked some party magic in your mind, hit that like button. Share it with a friend who's planning a birthday bash soon. Got questions or ideas of your own? Drop them in the comments. We reply to everyone. Subscribe so you don't miss our next round of creative themes and tips. Join our growing party community. We're just getting started. Turn on notifications so you're always the first to catch new uploads. And remember, every celebration is better with a little bit of Mickey Mouse cheer.